I'm Johnny from Open Studio Patterns, and I'm going to show you how to print your digital sewing patterns at home. We send 2 file sizes for you to be able to print your sewing patterns at home. If you're within North America, you'll print the US letter file, and if you're anywhere else, you'll print the A4 file. I'm opening the US letter file in Adobe Reader, and you'll see to the left in the layers panel, it has all the sizes. I'm going to uncheck all the sizes I don't want. And I'm just going to keep the size small. And now you scroll down and you see that there's only one size represented on the screen, which is super easy to see as you're cutting. You don't have to deal with any extra lines. This legend here is showing you this is the lines for size extra small, small, medium, large, extra large, etc. It just gets a little messy, so it's really nice if you can just print the size you want. We're going to start out by just doing a test print to make sure that we have the scaling right. So you're going to want to make sure in your settings that you have the custom scale set to 100 and landscape. Those are the 2 most important settings. Print your first page, use your ruler to check that it's a 1-inch square, and if you're all good, you can print the rest of the pages. Next comes the fun part of trimming all the edges. This is really what separates the people who print at home and the people who send it out to a large format printer. Everyone kind of comes up with their own techniques, and we're just going to give a couple ideas of how to trim and how to assemble all the pages. The easiest one is with scissors. You could also use your rotary cutter, which is really fast. And I've seen people really go to town with a paper cutter. You could just trim all the edges of all the pages if you have the time, but I like to cut only what I need to. I usually cut off the right sides of each of the pages and take my time putting all of the pages together so all of the lines match up. I like to tape my pages, but it does use a lot of tape. Some people like to use glue sticks. Whatever floats your boat. If you're finding this process incredibly tedious, you are not alone. Check out our other video on large format printing if you'd like to send it out and have a professional do it for you. The link to that video is below. Now cut all the pieces out and store them however you prefer. Some people like to fold them, roll them, hang them. It's up to you. Good luck printing your first digital sewing pattern. Subscribe for more.